A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal maneuver, former President Donald Trump has officially requested the U.S. Supreme Court to overturn a jury's ruling that found him liable for sexually abusing and defaming writer Jean Carroll. This appeal comes on the heels of two courtroom defeats that have left Trump facing a staggering $88.3 million in damages. The first ruling, delivered in 2023, determined that Trump was responsible for assaulting Carroll in the 1990s and subsequently damaging her reputation by publicly denying her allegations. A subsequent trial further escalated the financial repercussions for Trump, prompting his legal team to seek the highest court's intervention. Trump's lawyers argue that the jury was exposed to prejudicial evidence that skewed the trial's outcome. They claim that the inclusion of the infamous Access Hollywood tape, along with accusations from other women, tainted the jury's perception and led to an unfair trial. Despite an appeals court dismissing these objections earlier this year, Trump's legal team believes that the Supreme Court must address what they describe as legal inconsistencies that could set a precedent for future cases. The Supreme Court has yet to announce whether it will take up the case, but a private conference is anticipated later this term. The controversy surrounding this case has been fueled by Trump's persistent denial of the allegations, which he has characterized as politically motivated. Carroll's claims did not surface until after Trump won the 2016 presidential election, leading to accusations from Trump's camp that she timed her allegations for maximum political damage. The petition submitted by Trump's lawyers asserts that Carroll's claims are facially implausible and aimed at harming Trump's reputation. The case has drawn significant media attention, with various outlets reporting on the legal implications and potential ramifications of the Supreme Court's decision. Trump's legal team contends that the jury's decision was based on insufficient evidence, as they argue that there were no eyewitnesses, no video evidence, and no police report or investigation to substantiate Carroll's claims. Trump's legal strategy hinges on the assertion that Carroll's allegations are unfounded and politically motivated, claiming that she waited over 2 decades to accuse him in a bid to capitalize on his political career. In a previous ruling, a federal jury awarded Carroll $2.02 million for sexual assault and $2.98 million for defamation, while another jury ordered Trump to pay $83.3 million for defaming Carroll in a statement he made in 2019. The legal battles have not only put Trump in a precarious financial position, but have also reignited discussions about the accountability of public figures in cases of sexual misconduct. The Supreme Court's potential involvement in this case could have far-reaching implications for how similar cases are handled in the future, particularly those involving high-profile individuals. As the legal drama unfolds, the public awaits the Supreme Court's decision on whether to review Trump's appeal and what that could mean for both Trump and Carroll. The broader implications of this case extend beyond the individuals involved, touching on issues of justice, accountability, and the treatment of sexual abuse allegations in the legal system. With the eyes of the nation on this case, the Supreme Court's ruling could set a precedent that shapes the legal landscape for years to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.